Improving your English involves developing skills in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. This lesson will provide actionable steps and techniques to enhance your language proficiency. 1. Set clear goals. Having specific goals gives you direction and motivation. Define what you want to achieve, e.g., improving vocabulary, fluency, or grammar. Example, I want to learn 10 new words every week. 2. Build a daily practice routine. Consistency is crucial for language learning. Allocate time each day for practice, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes. Example, use mornings for vocabulary practice and evenings for reading. 3. Expand your vocabulary. A richer vocabulary enhances your communication. Learn new words through reading, flashcards, or apps. Example, keep a vocabulary journal to write down and review new words. 4. Read widely. Reading exposes you to different styles and contexts. Choose diverse materials, books, articles, and blogs. Example, read a mix of fiction and non-fiction to see varied language use. 5. Listen actively. Listening improves comprehension and pronunciation. Engage with podcasts, music, and audiobooks in English. Example, listen to a podcast episode and summarize its main points. 6. Practice speaking. Speaking builds fluency and confidence. Find language partners or join conversation clubs. Example, schedule a weekly chat with a friend in English. 7. Write regularly. Writing helps reinforce grammar and vocabulary. Keep a journal, write essays, or participate in online forums. Example, write a short paragraph daily about your day. 8. Use language learning apps. Apps provide structured learning and immediate feedback. Download apps like Duolingo, Barbell, or Memrise. Example, spend 10 minutes daily on an app to practice vocabulary or grammar. 9. Watch movies and shows. Visual context helps with understanding language in use. Watch English language films or series with subtitles. Example, watch a movie, first with subtitles, then without. 10. Seek feedback. Constructive feedback helps identify areas for improvement. Share your writing or speaking with friends or teachers. Example, join an online writing group to get peer reviews. Improving your English requires a combination of practice, exposure, and feedback. By following these steps and incorporating them into your daily routine, you'll see gradual and consistent improvement.